everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Nurse Ruth channel. This channel is about boosting our immune system, living a healthy lifestyle, and being the boss of our health. Being the boss of our health using all forms of natural remedies. When I say natural remedies, I mean things that's natural, that have little or no side effects. Natural remedies like your herbs, your fruits, even your food, your veggie, your leaves, your tubers, your roots, all this just to have a healthy lifestyle. That's what I mean when I say using natural remedies, and even spices from any part of the world. That's what we do in this channel, because I've come to realize that we just live our life without thinking of how to prevent the preventables in our body or how to boost our immune system. We just wake up, take our breakfast, our lunch, whether junk food or healthy food, we just eat. But I thought about it and I said, no, each day each day we're supposed to take conscious effort of our health. As we take conscious effort of our finance, we take conscious effort of our job, we take conscious effort of our beauty, of our hair, of what to do. That's just life for you. But lots of people take little or no effort concerning their health. So that is what this channel is all about. And that's why I implore you to join us. Join us to grow all together, taking these natural remedies every week. Every Sunday we come out with new recipe that will be taken from Monday to Saturday. Then the next Sunday we'll come up with another new recipe. It just things that we blend together or we cook together. Then we just take them every morning. Most especially every morning, most especially on an empty stomach, fasting. That's what we do. You can take it before you wake up in the morning. Just take it, and before you brush your teeth, and before you take your bath and all that, even 30 minutes have elapsed. Or if you want to wait 2 hours before your breakfast, or you want to just do fasting in the morning, just take it on an empty stomach. That's the bottom line. I'll talk about the importance of taking these natural remedies, this healthy food, healthy veggie, healthy fruit, healthy juice on an empty stomach as we go by in this channel. But today we're going to be doing this also this week. Every morning, you can still take it twice in a day. As I said earlier on, it has little or no side effects. At times I take it in the morning and evening before I sleep. Instead of me making tea, using my tea bag and all that, no. I just take my natural food, my natural vegetables and all that fruit. I just blend together, add my hot water, sit down, sipping it as my tea. I can even add my honey, relaxing and watching my TV. So instead of all those tea bag or all those coffee, if you are the type that used to wake up with coffee in the morning, it's high time you stop and switch to healthy food, healthy drink, healthy juice to wake up in the morning. Especially in these critical times, not just critical time, every time is critical time. There's common cold, there's flu, because this what we're taking in this channel, they are to combat cold, common cold, flu, diseases, even high blood pressure, different infections, inflammation, just to take care of different things in our body. So that's why I'm saying, join us this channel, subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell so that every Sunday when I upload new video, you'll be the first to be notified. Last week and last 2 weeks, about 2-3 weeks now, we'll be taking this beetroot in our drink in our every morning, now every day, every morning. We'll be taking beetroot, and last week we'll add celery. 2 weeks ago we add some other things, and so I've been taking it with my family. It has been marvelous. It has been marvelous. Yes, marvelous. So this week I've come out with a new recipe. I've researched it, I've proved it, and I know it is good. In this channel, I'm a nurse by profession, so I will never come out with anything that will be hurtful to anybody out there. But as I always advise, if you have any underlying sickness, always consult with your doctor before you continue with all these things. But this week we are going to be taking celery. Celery, I've talked about celery in my video. So if you want to go check out my channel, you can see when I talk about celery, the importance of it. It has vitamin A, vitamin C, it has potassium. It's very good for constipation. If you have problem with bowel movement, celery is very good. And celery it contains sodium, a little amount of sodium. So celery is very good. Our combining celery with our carrots this week. These are wonderful, awesome veggie. This is root, this is tuber. So I'm going to combine the two together. And carrot, we all know the carrot has beta carotene, which is very good for our eyesight. So we're taking care of our eyes this week, taking care of our heart because they have potassium. We're taking care of our bowel movement. We're taking care of our skin, which can all this drink this week can help your skin to glow. So we're going to take care of lots and lots of so many things in our body, especially our eyes. I'm going to take care of that this week. And another important secret ingredient we're going to be adding this week is our ginger. You can see that I have a giant ginger. We're only going to be adding a little bit of it. The importance of ginger is that it's very good. Ginger, research has said that ginger is one of the most powerful roots on earth. Ginger is antimicrobial, it's antibacterial, it's anti-inflammatory, has antioxidants properties. So it's very, very good, and it's very good for common cold and flu. So I'm going to be adding little ginger this week, combining these three together this week. So stay tuned as we go prepare it together. And if you have not subscribed again, make sure you subscribe and give me a thumbs up after watching, and comment down below what's your take on it, and share to your friends and family, especially those that you love. So let's not waste more time. Let's head up to prepare our drink for the week. Welcome back. We're here now. We're going to be washing our celery, our carrots, our ginger. As I said, we're going to need just a little from our ginger because I don't want it to be too hot. But if you can, depends on you. Depends on how you want it. And remember, vegetables, always wash them properly. Yes. I've said that carrots is good also for our skin. I said earlier on, it's good for our eyes. So this week we'll be taking care of our eyes. So that's my celery. What I normally do, I just prepare my juice down, my drink. I spray it and put in a container and put in the fridge. So when I just wake up in the morning, I run down and quickly take my drink before I will go into brush my teeth. So that's what I do. So I just prepare maybe the one that will last me for 3 days. And it's not good to keep it too long. Just 3 days, and then I renew it again. So that is it. So that's what I do. I just prepare it now. So I don't have to wake up every morning and come and be blending and all that. So I already have, even if I want to blend, I just blend it down in the evening. So in the morning, I just put it in my cup and pour my warm water on it. So, and drink. It's very good. We're adding celery this week. I'm happy about this celery this week because celery has sodium content. Little bit of sodium, which is very good because with sodium in it, the vitamins in our carrot, in our ginger, and when you take it in the morning, the food you are going to be eating the whole day, the sodium content in celery will help you to absorb all of it. So that's our carrot, just peel it. Just peel. So that, as I said, the sodium content in celery is very good. You mean the food you're going to be eating that day, all the nutrients, the vitamins in it. The sodium will help you to absorb your cells, your body to absorb all the necessary nutrients and vitamins. So it's very good. So it's going to be helping us with our carrots and ginger and all that. So that's that. So it's very good to take care of yourself, really because of your health. So that's the last one. So it's good to be the boss of your health. So join us in this channel, subscribe. Let's grow old together, taking care of ourselves and take care of our finance. Let's take care of our health. Let's take care of our families. You're going to be needing a blender, so you can also use your juicer if you want. So just be cutting this in bits. Take care of your health, of your family. Like all these juice, sometimes I give them to my children too. I give them to my kids sometimes. Just because we can never ever do enough, but prevention is better than cure. So instead of, when you do all these things, to limit your frequency to the hospital, to the doctor. Why? Because you're taking care of yourself. You're being the boss of your head. Because like our ginger, as I said earlier, has according to research, anti-cancer property, it's antibacterial, antimicrobial, and antioxidants. So imagine all those things. So if you have them cooking up in your body, you have already taken care of them. So that's it. I just take it every morning on an empty stomach. Yes. The celery, even the leaves are very good. They're even most important part, I think, of our celery. That's your ginger. Most times I don't peel my ginger, I just blend everything with the skin. But today I'm going to peel in it. Just peeling it like the way we peel the carrots. It's not very good. So that's it, just little. That's the ginger I'm going to be adding. Then I'm going to add the water. Just add the water that you normally drink. So you just add the water that you normally drink. That's it, I've added it already. So stay tuned as I go blend. So stay tuned with me as I go blend. Hello, I'm back. So I've blended. That's my juice for the week. Early morning on empty stomach. So from celery, carrot, and ginger, we were able to get this. So this is very good. It's full of fiber. So if you want to go to the bathroom, 1 minute, 2 minutes, you're out of there. So it's very good. If you like, you can sieve it because of the fiber content. I love it, and it's weight loss friendly. Because you are taking the fast, take the fiber, you are full. You don't want to take your breakfast. So that is it. We'll be trying it out now. So in the morning when I just take little, and I boil my warm water and add to it. I just drink. Really nice. So nice. And I hope you try it and comment down below and tell me how it was. Remember, in this channel, we are family. Be the boss of your health. Take conscious effort of your health. And Subscribe, share to your family, friends, especially those that you love. See you at the top. Bye.